The CNC G-Code Arc Calculator IJ values helps you calculate the I and J offset values needed for circular interpolation commands in G-code programming. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have the start X coordinate, where you enter your arc's starting X position. Next is the start Y coordinate for your starting Y position. Then we need the end X coordinate, showing where your arc finishes on the X-axis. The end Y coordinate defines your arc's ending Y position. Finally, enter the arc radius, which is the radius of your circular path. For this example, I'll enter 0 for start X coordinate, 0 for start Y coordinate, 10 for end X coordinate, 0 for end Y coordinate, and 5 for arc radius. After clicking Calculate IJ Values, the calculator determines the I and J offset values that define the arc center relative to your start point. These offsets tell your CNC machine exactly where the center of your arc is located, which is essential for G02 and G03 circular interpolation commands. The calculator handles the complex trigonometry automatically, saving you time and reducing programming errors. Find the link in the description below.